Hey Sam here, welcome to this demo of LetSlotio. This is a software that lets you create what you're seeing on my screen right now. This is a pop-up that can go over your website. It can go as an exit splash, it could go as a pop-up on a page scroll, it could just pop up on page load, wherever you want it to. Now what it does is it allows the person to be able to either enter their email address, so you capture a lead, and then spin to win. So basically they could win a free prize, a coupon, anything like that. So let's just, we'll just write in a email in here. And I'll put in my name, accept the terms and conditions. And then basically all I have to do is just click roll now to get free gift. And it'll go through and see what I've won. So it's going to go through a list building course. Sweet. So we've won a list building course. Now all I have to do is click there to claim the access. So this is pretty cool. This is what you can use on your website, especially as an exit pop-up would make very good sense to be able to give people coupons or other reasons to be able to buy from you. Now, because you've captured them as a lead as well, it means that you can market to them further, increasing conversions on your website. So you can increase conversions by adding coupons in, or you can remarket to them as leads, or any sort of however you want to do it. So this is the dashboard here. This is the dashboard. So very simple. All I do is go create new, and I can either do an overlay campaign, which is like a standard sort of a pop-up to go on your website, or a slot campaign. So let's look at slot campaign. Now here, campaign name, I'm going to call this one the Sam Demo as usual. Now you can choose whether you want it to be a pop-up or like a full landing page lander, or like a map over your website. So we're going to choose pop-up for the sake of this demo. Click next. Okay, and then I can choose where I want it to show on my page, left, right, center, and then what I can do is I can have it as a solid color. I can upload my own background if I want to, if I have a specific background image. I can choose from a library, or I can upload it from my computer if I want to customize to have nice attractive looking backgrounds. Okay, or if I don't want to, I can just simply select the color like that. We've got a red one there. Okay, title, I can just say spin to win, or whatever I want, and put that in there. Description, try your luck now. Okay, you can put in whatever you want. You can probably be a lot more creative than that. I'm just doing this so we get through the demo quicker without boring you with watching me type. Okay, we can do the privacy policy. We can put a link in as well for them to do it. Call to action, roll, or we could just write in spin to win. Okay, and we can customize the colors as well with the text. We can change it to whatever we want. We can change the background color, all those sorts of things too. Okay, and you can put in a disclaimer. Okay, you can add a snow effect, which is effects over the top like this, just to get it a bit more sparkly looking, a bit more attractive, and you can enable the sound when they do spin as well. So it does the sound. So that is our creation on the right there. I'm going to click next. You can add some scarcity to it with a countdown timer or a scarcity bar as well. So we can insert a timer. Hurry offer expires in, and we can do 30 minutes as well. However we want it to, we can change the font and click next. Okay, now this is the fun part. This is the slots. This is what you can win. So a coupon. We can give them a $10 off coupon, value $10, and we can make it 50% chance that they're going to get that. Okay, we can give them a free product. So we got a free report. Okay, and we can make it 20% chance that they're going to get that. We can have no prize as well for one of the slots. We can do a free product. We can say a demo account, and we can give them a 20% chance of that. And again, another coupon. We'll just go $5 off for this one. Value $5. Now, and a 10% chance of that one. Okay, or we'll go 5% chance of that one, 5% chance of no price. So high probability someone's going to win something. Okay, so within this is I click on the settings icon on the right, and then I call this one the $5 off coupon. Use coupon 5 off for $5 off. CTA button we can claim here, and we can have it close the pop-up, or we can have it redirect to a new URL, which would put the sales page link in from there as well. So we'll go google.com. okay, and click save. So you go through and customize all of these to do your product delivery, and then once all that's done, click next. Additional settings, you can have them share it on social, so it drives more traffic back to your website as well, and also allows you allows for that sort of viral sharing element. Okay, that can unlock more spins, more goes as well, and you can do some more reminder on widgets when they win, or also a widget for when they close, just so if they are on your website and they close it, it sort of tries to entice them back to using this as well. Next, we do the trigger, so you can customize this depending on, okay, so we can do this, let's go down here, desktop show up. You can do it on page load, on leave intent after a certain amount of time on the page, or also have a widget on your page. So let's do leave intent. Mobile, you can do it as well. You can change it from mobile to desktop. So this one would go percentage on scroll page, and then we could just go 20% down the page. Repeat show up, we can choose whether we want it to show up again until the visitor closes it, or show, you know, every certain amount of days if you do have a membership site or something like that, and you're trying to get people to do this as well. Okay, from here, enable integration. This allows you to be able to turn on either MailChimp for email leads to go directly to your autoresponder if you so wish. Once you've done all of that, it's as simple as clicking save. Once you've saved it, your campaigns will show up if you go into campaigns, slot campaigns. You'll see all the ones that you've built out. So from there, you've got the URL. You can clone it, you can edit it, report it as well, like that. You get the embed code too to be able to put it in your website, so you can go running those campaigns nice and easily. Okay, so within the library, you can store image files, all those sorts of things, or it integrates with Usign as well if you have your own designs. Let's jump over into integrations, just have a quick look. So you've got Autoresponder, so you can integrate Aweber and Infusionsoft, all the ones you see here on this stage, on this page, so quite a few of the mainstream ones as well. You can also integrate your webinar platform to gather leads via webinar. Same with Shopify as well, in case you want to connect with your Shopify store, and then it also integrates with a few other bits and pieces too. So basically that is it. LetSlotio. Hopefully that gives you a good idea of what it does. Check it out in more detail down below on the bonus page for more details. This is Sam, and it's been my pleasure to show you through this software here today.